Hello everyone, this video is to give me the opportunity to award a few students for their excellence in math throughout this school year. The award not only is for students with high percentages, but also for the students that put in an amazing amount of effort. They ask questions when they need help. They're always willing to help others, and leaders in the classroom. So we'll get started, and I'm going to start with my honors algebra class. The very first award for honors algebra goes to Addie McDonald. And the second honors algebra award goes to Alexis Lackey. Congratulations, Addie and Alexis, on standing out and having excellent school years in honors math this year. Keep up the good work at the high school. For my applied algebra class, the two recipients are Chloe Robertson and Valerie Hanley. Great job, both to Valerie and Chloe, for their performance in math this year. Keep up the good work, and congratulations on all of your awards.